Building a website can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. But what if I told you that choosing the right platform could be the game changer your business needs? Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your online presence, the decisions you make now could set the stage for your success. Stick around because in this video, we're breaking down the top website platforms and the secrets to making your site not just good, but great. Let's start by taking a closer look at 4 of the most popular website platforms available today: WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and Shopify. Each of these platforms offers unique features that cater to different types of businesses, so understanding what each one has to offer will help you decide which is the best fit for your website. 1. WordPress. First up is WordPress, often considered the king of web development. With over 75 million sites built on WordPress, it's clear that this platform is a favorite for many. One of the biggest advantages of WordPress is its flexibility. Whether you're looking to build a simple blog or a complex e-commerce site, WordPress can handle it all. There are countless themes and plugins available to customize your site exactly how you want it. However, with great flexibility comes some complexity. WordPress can be challenging for beginners, especially when it comes to troubleshooting issues that arise from conflicting themes or plugins. It's also a self-hosted platform, meaning you'll need to manage your hosting and updates yourself. Despite these challenges, if you're willing to invest the time to learn or have access to a web development professional, WordPress offers incredible potential. 2. Wix. Next, let's talk about Wix. Wix is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great option for those who want to get a website up and running quickly. You don't need any coding skills to create a professional-looking website on Wix, and the platform offers a variety of templates and drag-and-drop features to make customization a breeze. However, Wix has some limitations, particularly when it comes to scalability. If your website grows and attracts a lot of traffic, you might find that Wix's hosting options are a bit restrictive. Additionally, if you ever want to move your site to another platform, you'll need to rebuild it from scratch, as Wix sites can't be easily transferred. 3. Squarespace. Squarespace is another popular website builder that's similar to Wix in its ease of use. Squarespace is known for its sleek, minimalist templates that are perfect for creative businesses like portfolios, online stores, and blogs. The platform also offers built-in e-commerce functionality, making it a good option for those looking to sell products online. One downside of Squarespace is that it's not as flexible as WordPress, and its templates are geared towards a specific aesthetic. If you're looking for something outside of that minimalist style, you might find Squarespace's options a bit limiting. Like Wix, Squarespace also doesn't allow easy migration to other platforms, so you'll need to commit to using it long-term. 4. Shopify. Finally, let's look at Shopify. Shopify is a platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. If your primary goal is to sell products online, Shopify is one of the best options available. It offers a range of tools to help you manage your store, from inventory management to payment processing. Shopify also has a large library of apps that can add extra functionality to your store. However, Shopify's focus on e-commerce means it might not be the best fit for businesses that aren't primarily selling products. The platform also comes with a price tag, and premium templates can be quite expensive. Additionally, like Wix and Squarespace, moving away from Shopify can be challenging, so it's important to be sure it's the right choice for you. So, how do you choose the right platform for your website? Here are a few key factors to consider. 1. Budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on building and maintaining your website. Some platforms have higher costs for premium features, so make sure to factor that in. 2. Functionality. Think about what you need your website to do now and in the future. If you're running an e-commerce business, Shopify might be the best fit. If you need flexibility, WordPress could be the way to go. 3. Design preferences. Consider the look and feel you want for your website. If you prefer sleek, minimalist designs, Squarespace might be the best choice. For more customization options, WordPress is ideal. 4. Scalability. Consider how your website might grow over time. If you anticipate a lot of traffic or need advanced features, make sure the platform you choose can accommodate that growth. 5. Control and management. Decide how much control you want over your website. If you prefer a hands-off approach, platforms like Wix or Squarespace might be best. If you want more control over hosting and updates, WordPress is the way to go. Choosing the right platform is just the first step. To ensure your website's success, there are a few best practices you should follow. 1. Modern and sleek design. Your website is the face of your brand online, so make sure it looks professional and modern. A well-designed website can make a strong first impression and help establish credibility. 2. Clear and well-informed content. Your website's content should be clear, concise, and well-structured. This is especially important if you're selling products or services. Make sure your content is easy to read and provides all the information your visitors need. 3. Short customer journey. The fewer clicks it takes for a visitor to convert, the better. Make sure your website's navigation is intuitive and place call-to-action buttons where they're easily accessible. Building a successful website takes time, effort, and the right tools. Whether you choose WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify, make sure to select a platform that aligns with your business goals and needs. And remember, following web development best practices is key to standing out from the competition and driving conversions. If you're looking for guidance or help with your website, don't hesitate to reach out at TechSnap. With the right support, you can build a website that not only looks great, but also performs well. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe to TechSnap, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video on all things web development.